do a two-step and a pill out. Anybody come up to me and say, nah, bro, you can't do it. Understand that. Nobody told me don't do it, right?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking the wide body RSX and we're going to a car meet tonight. Josh Snowmark 7's here, but we're waiting on a couple more of the homies to pull up. I recently put these little eyelid things on my front headlights. I think it looks alright. But I also drilled out some holes for the wide body extensions that's supposed to be on the front of my wide body kit. So I think I'm gonna try wrapping them right now. I don't have enough left, so I don't know how it's gonna go because as you can see, this is all I have left and it's not even wide enough for one. So I'm just gonna try and then update you guys how it comes out.
Today we're gonna be maxing out the fiberglass. As you can see, Roy has already tried right there. He maxed it out with the blowtorch.
Guys, wrapping cars, freaking easy. I mean, look at this. I did this in like 5 seconds.
Professional. No bubbles. Look at that.
In my hand.
Clean seam.
I don't have a blow. I don't have a heat gun. I don't have a blow gun. I don't have a blow either.
You heard it here, guys. RoyTheBoy is calling out all the rapping YouTubers. You know, Lil Wayne.
Yo, guys, look at that. Not bad for doing it with not even a good piece that's like the right size. And, oh, and it being cold and all I had was a pocket knife. Not freaking bad. I mean, that is pretty bad right there. But nobody sees that part. Damn, guys, that looks pretty freaking good. I'm so glad I just did that right now before the car meet. Yo. So, damn, John doesn't have the bumper no more.
What?
Doesn't have the bumper? I mean the the wing. Damn, guys, so this is the lineup. John's RSX, the S2K, Snowmark 7, and the RSX. So now we're gonna head out. I guess Josh just got a E30 mix in his car, I guess. Not sure how that works, but I guess he's running it. I think I smell it. I don't know. He said, do you smell my exhaust? I didn't smell anything, but now I'm kind of like questioning if I smell it or not. Hey, John's car looks kind of good without the wing. How stupid do I look? Huh? How stupid do I look? Is
that how you get your POV driving?
Yeah. You like it? I might just do a first gear for you guys. Damn, first was spinning. What's that? Guys, Josh's GTI is so loud. You don't have to shoot so many flames, dog. Jeez. God. Alright, so apparently, Josh didn't tell me, but this isn't really the meet. We're going to another meet now?
This is just the meet-up pre-meet.
Oh, this is the pre-meet.
Oh, okay.
What the hell? John has money now.
Hey, man, you feel me?
Fix the bumper.
Fix the bumper. There you go.
Hey.
Josh is
Never. Hey, bro, is that a Supra? Damn, guys, we're like hella Honda heads deep. We got the Type R, 3 S2Ks, 2 RSXs, and then Josh. We're all going sideways.
Bro, I'm probably like shit, bro. My mirrors are clear. I can't see.
Okay. Damn, son. Damn. Damn. That's hard. The Z's though? Oh. I want a splitter. Society. Alright guys, so I guess this was the pre-meet. So at first we were at the pre-meet. Now we're at the pre-meet. Now I'm gonna fast forward to ramen. We're gonna get some ramen. Then we're gonna go to the real meet. So pre-meet. Now we're going to ramen, and then after that we're finally going to the meet. We at the ramen now. You know what's up.
We'll just fucking just went like this.
I'm just paranoid.
Alright, I gotta slow down.
He's not K, man.
I need
K.A. band. Let me know.
Ready, go.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, they're dead even.
I'm not even bending my wrist. And this is.
Where you want to arm wrestle?
No, my arms hurt. Oh. Bro, you guys suck. This is lame.
My elbow hurts now.
Josh. Ooh, so good.
We're there.
But yeah,
I forgot about that.
Like explain. Like what do you like? What's
We
the
were just
concept?
playing with you. There was no concept.
Yeah, he was like, hey, but just go.
I am so full. Now we're gonna head out to the real meet. I think you get I can't talk. John's fender liner was rubbing, so this man took it out and ran it over. No more fender liner. Damn, boys, now this is a meet. Damn, guys, now we're at the meet. R32. Hella cars. Yo.
All the people out.
Damn. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, guys, the cops have just posted up. All the EVOs, Civics. And the HR. Yo, this thing is sick. This is the next car I want to get. Screw the E36. Oh, this thing is so nice. I want that car so bad.
I hope that this.
Guys, this guy's drunk and he's asking for them to two-step.
I don't want to be a bird, but I want to step.
What the fuck?
I'm asking for lightly. Get a pillow.
Hello.
What is this guy?
Imagine he gets on like a skateboard.
Dude, he's fucked up and he's gonna drive. Come on, let's go.
No, you want to die?
Yeah?
Said
when you said it, but
if
what makes
I
it
could
right?
say, I'm gonna do a two-step and a pill out.
How you gonna
Did anybody come up to me and say,
nah, bro,
you can't do it?
But why would
Who
you?
the fuck does?
Cut this shit out! Cut it out! You saw the banner, right? It said park and chill, right? So don't two-step. It's that simple. Take that shit somewhere else if we're gonna do it. Park and chill, guys. Park and chill. Jump on the spot. Jump on the spot, guys. Remember, park and chill. Park and chill, guys. Park and chill.
Catch the fucking shit.
Go, baby. Come on.
Yeah, we do. This is a fucking one shot.
Park and chill, guys. Park and chill. Remember. Park and chill, guys. Park and chill.
Hey, chill.
Baby, get in the fucking whip. Yeah, he's in the whip. I built this shit.
Let's go.
Team shit, fucking ugly as fuck.
Park and chill, guys. Park and chill. Crispy with a _delicious, guys. Crispy
Just hope if he does some crazy shit, I get it on here.
Crispy. Crispy's always in the mix out here, guys. Crispy's always in the mix.
Girl pushing us.
Bro, his girl's bigger than him, bro.
Stepping up to like a whole crowd of people. What's good? I answered you. I did it.
Hey, he's really fucked up. He's really drunk.
I did it before I did it.
He was downing a bunch of beer.
I did it. Your son let him know. I mean, he's stepping up to like a whole crowd.
Shut the fuck up and go home! Hey! Wrap it up! Just did!
I said it before I did it. I said it.
It's over.
Yeah, he did it. Let's go. Nobody can. It's over, right? Hey, go. It's done. Yo, get that nigga. Get that nigga. Nobody told me. Don't do it. Bro, you don't think it's good. Don't do it. It's over. Understand that. Nobody told me don't do it, right?
You're right.
I said I'm gonna do it. Nobody said don't do it. Right.
No, that's fact. No, he was yelling it. I mean, he was yelling it.
I did it. Yeah.
Go home. You did it. Good for you, bro. Go home.
No.
No.
I just said it.
It was so loud.
Where's Edgar?
And this dude with the park and chill. Somebody needs to call the cops, bro. Hey, I got a new title. Drunk guy goes crazy in 2 steps at car meet.
Why you focused on me? Why you focused on me?
Dude, he's gonna do it again. Yo, he's going crazy again. Damn, that's a sick ass car. in the Mark IV is mad.
This shit automatic.
It's NA too.
I'm ready to take them back. Oh, no.
He's really drunk.
Oh, this guy's drunk as fuck.
You should like call the cops.
Report it to highway patrol.
Yeah. Damn.
Definitely not a park and chill, guys.
That guy's fucking crazy. Everybody's leaving.
Look out for a red Integra on the side of the road.
Dude, he's gonna crash. Do it again, do it again.
He said, hey, reenact it. Recap of what happened. He said, hey, is it okay if I two-step and peel out? Nobody said no. So he was like, I did. Hopped in his whip.
It was the same height.
Bro, she was tall.
I was like, yo.
She was like 6.
I know. She could have fucking sat him down, bro.
Well, she said, get in the car. Get in the car.
All right, guys, we're at the gas station after the meet. Everyone's dipping. That crazy guy basically just burnt the spot, so now everyone's leaving. So I'm gonna head home, and I think that's where I'm gonna end today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, drop a like down below. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.